Hey guys, Coolbrick here, and today I have a mock, and I'm going to show it to you guys, and I also have a couple of small announcements. First off, I want to say sorry for not uploading anything in a while. I've been really busy this last week, so I'm glad that I was able to make a nice mock, this one, over the weekend, and also I am expecting a big set, so I'll be able to do a review on that and hopefully get in some mocks from that after I take it apart, and I'll be able to do maybe even another city update depending on how much I'm able to build with that set. So getting right into this is a greenhouse. That was the initial idea of it, and it kind of turned into a garden as well. And the idea behind this was that it was going to go next to my grocery store, and it's kind of going to be the supplier of the kind of fresh produce, and it's also sort of a branched operation. There's a guy here, and you can buy trees and potting soil and gardening supplies and all sorts of stuff. So start off with the greenhouse. So you've got a door here to go in. There's no flooring, it's just grass in there. I got a chance to use these nice curved window pieces, which I got in a bricklink haul a while ago. There's a video on that, so I'm glad I was able to use these. This is what I really wanted to use them for when I first got them. I had the idea to use them in a greenhouse, so I'm glad that I did. So you can see I just put some little textured bits. The reason there are lights here and back there and over here, and there's this random thing sticking out, that's just because I didn't have any white 1x2 plates. Fortunately, I need to get a couple more of those, more than a couple probably, and then just bits of texture here, to make it look nice. And so on the inside here, you've basically just got some flowers, and I figure that the greenhouse bit is just going to be kind of more for flowers than for actual food or anything. So going from left to right, you've got just some budding flowers here. Those are going to turn into these. Then you've got a rare species of flower that has different color petals, even though it's all the same plant. And then you've just got some generic pink petaled flowers, and then there's one last red one back there. And then just very simple, I just put these pin pieces up there. Those are to represent sprinklers for the plants. And then you've also got just windows on the top. And then there are these open spaces back here, but that's okay since I intend for this to just go next to my grocery store, so you wouldn't even be able to see that anyway. And then back here, this is a spare sprinkler piece, and you'll understand what I'm talking about by sprinklers in a minute. And then over here you've got tap temperature control, obviously cold and hot. And then you've just got this kind of water system over here and a pressure gauge. Then you've just got this plastic tube. This is one of those pneumatic hose pieces. I had two of these from the 2013 police station set. And this just leads to the sprinkler over here. And this is one of those sprinklers that, it's kind of, you've got the main section down here, and then you've got a kind of spigot up here, and then it goes like this, back and forth, and it sprays water, and then it turns as well, so it really covers everything. And I've just got that connected up to this tube, so I think that looked pretty cool. Then you've just got two rows of things growing. These are supposed to be carrots growing out of the ground. These are just some kind of plant, a more random plant, and these can be, I don't know, since they're tan, they can be potatoes, even though I'm pretty sure potatoes grow in the ground. Same with carrots, but I guess these are just poking out a little bit. And then, like I mentioned, you can also purchase some things, and so you can purchase these trees back here, the small trees, and then there's also some gardening supplies. You've got potting soil in here, and then you've also got a shovel over here and a pitchfork, which I'm actually going to show you how this is built. It's pretty simple. It's just a three length long brown bar piece. I'm trying to get this in focus, but it's being a little bit stubborn. And then that's just attached to a minifig fork piece and makes for a good pitchfork. So happy with the way that turned out. And then I just put those in these into these modified bricks with recessed stud in the side, and so those are what hold those on. Then you've just got a wheelbarrow here that's for collecting this stuff, I guess. And then you've just got the cellar here that you can make purchases from. This right here is just a cash register. Really not that much to see. This is just a little shack basically. So yeah, that's basically all of what this is. And then I just borrowed this sign. This came from one of the holiday sets from I'm gonna say 2000, the Christmas of 2012. I think this came from one of those holiday sets. I'm pretty sure, and maybe even this was last year. Maybe this was 2013. Don't totally remember. You guys can help me with that if you do know. Then I just put some dark tan tile. Since I have dark tan tile, I always keep a good amount of it because they're pretty useful. Just they look really nice as just general tiles. I used some on my cafe as well. So yeah, that's about it for this MOC. And so yeah, you guys will see this in my next city update video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.